Welcome to Vauxhall Classic and Sports Car. Today we're going to offer you something as unique as possible. Make no mistake, this Bedford Astravan is most likely the only one in existence in this condition and mileage. It's a 1988 registered 1.3L van finished in Nordic Blue, and the mileage from new is an incredible 80. That's 80 miles from new. It's all original condition. It's never had paint work. The underneath is like new, other than some slight surface just on some of the suspension components. We've done some photos of the underside for you to have a look at. So being the L model, rear wiper, cloth upholstery, this vehicle has also got the roof rails and crossbars. We've got the spare keys and the keys to the bars and everything, full document pack, original order form, and everything is with the vehicle. The vehicle was registered December 1988 and apparently driven to the only owner's workshop and stood up and never used. This isn't a restored vehicle, this is all original. Commercial vehicles, minis, Ford Escorts and everything have all got high price tags. Bedford isn't as popular, it's probably the rarer of them all. Most of them have gone by the wayside by now, and this is a unique opportunity. It would be ideal for a Vauxhall Bedford dealer, a commercial dealer, promotional films, etc., or just an enthusiast. So inside the cargo area there, nothing's ever been in there. Obviously, like the rest of the tyres, everything's like brand new and everything. The only thing non-standard on it is the battery. Inside tells just the same story. Just take you around the bottoms of the doors and everything. All original, never been touched. It's original radio, Philips radio. You'll see the mileage there, 80. Footwells, door steps, the seats. Like brand new, there's no sagging or anything. It's been stored very well. It really is a unique vehicle. I'll try and open the bonnet if I can do it one-handed for you. Yeah. Right, so there we are under the bonnet. So no restoration, no nothing, just a new battery. I'll start it up for you. So there we are. 1988 Bedford Astravan 1.3L 4-speed gearbox, finished in Nordic Blue, 80 miles from new, in as newer condition as possible. If you are interested, give us a call 01507 606 725 or visit the website, which is wallsideclassics.co.uk, for this video and other vehicles for sale. Thank you.